city sleeps, the sound of rain, the calm it keeps. Each light reflects a fleeting hue. Each drop reminds me still of you.
The wipers hum in steady time. The rhythm flows, it feels sublime. The skyline hums through silver haze. The sound of night, a soft malaise.
The roads are wet, reflections deep. Our hearts align, the streets still weep.
The air is thick with scent of rain, but calm remains inside my brain. Don't chase the road, don't break the peace. Let the sound release. Rain in the rear view, soft and true. Every sound reminds of you. Every hum, a steady wave. Every tone, the calm we crave. Raindrop rhythm, smooth and slow. Every mile, the peace we know. Reflect our quiet sound. The world dissolves, no one around. Each sigh repeats, each tone replies. Our calm expands beneath the sky. No rush, no fear, just rain. The city sings again. Rear view, dreams remain. Rain in the rear view, soft and true. Every sound reminds of you. Every hum, a steady wave. Every tone,